Hey guys, it's me, Mr.Review of XiaomiReview.com. We have here in our hands the Redmi 7A. Okay, so this unit just got released together with the Redmi K20 Pro, and of course the Redmi Book 14 incher. So this has been overshadowed by those more popular brands. Okay, so we have here, and right now we're going to unbox this in front of you. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it off. Okay, so this is the Redmi 7A, the successor of the Redmi 6A series, which sports the MTK Helio P A22. So this time around, you can see here, there's the warranty card, the SIM card ejector pin, then of course the unit itself, see here, looking good. So there's the USB, micro USB charger, and of course the Qualcomm Quick Charge 2 charging wall charger. Okay, so I'll open this up and let you see what's inside. Here we go. Okay, so 2 Nano SIM and 1 SD card slot, which supports up to 256 gig, which is not bad for a budget series like this. Taking a good look around, this is the 13 megapixel camera by OmniVision, and it's AI powered together with a LED flash. This is a redesigned Redmi, designed by Xiaomi. Okay, so normally we'll see the Mi logo on the middle, but this time, since they went on independently this time and they have their own logo. So this is the power button and volume rocker. This one is new, the Redmi logo down there, and micro USB port, loudspeaker, mic in on top, 3.5mm audio jack, noise cancellation mic, and of course the SIM card tray. And don't forget, there's the 5 megapixel camera up front. Then turning the phone on, you can see that we are testing the face unlock, which is not bad, pretty responsive for a budget series like this. Then taking a good look, we'll try the camera. We turn on the Pro mode, so shutter speed 32 seconds, ISO 3200. Then taking a look at the settings, we can camera frame, we can set it to 16:9 ratio or full screen. Then let's take a look at the setting of the video. The best quality we can record is FHD 1080p 30 fps. Probably the limitation of this phone. So taking a look at the specs, this phone is running Android 9, you can see here, and of course it's running MIUI 10.2.3. Let's check the kernel. Scroll all the way up. Back camera is OmniVision. The front camera is made by Galaxy Core for the specification. Let's check Antutu, how much points gave this phone. So it raked in 75,000 points, which is pretty decent for a budget phone like this. The Helio P A22 just scored 61,000 points back in the Redmi 6A. So PC Mark test gave us a whooping 18 hours and 39 minutes. Wow. Okay, so this is due to the 4,000 milliampere hours of battery. This probably can last me 2 days. Checking the selfie cam, it's not really that bad, though it's having a hard time focusing on some shots, but it still do get you crisp pictures out of the 30 megapixel camera. Taking a look at green photos, green leaves, not bad. Okay, So this one is really the game changer, the game speed booster. First time I seen in a budget series. Let's run the Mobile Legend. So right now we're playing the game. As you can see, it's pretty snappy. It's not even lag. The buttons are responsive on my each press, each attack I made. For a budget series like this, being able to run Mobile Legends is pretty much decent already. Okay, so don't expect PUBG to be running so smooth as this one, since PUBG is a little bit more graphic intense. This one is just your normal game, normal online game. Okay, so we probably have run through everything that we need to know on this phone. And for people on the budget side, this is a good suggestion phone for you for a second phone, or people on the budget. If you want the battery to last more than probably 2 days on a normal usage, this is the phone to go. And everything has been upgraded from the Redmi 6A. I'm really impressed, and especially on the game booster mode, everything is simply perfect for that price at $599 for the 2 gig and 32 gig in Chinese yen. Okay, so this is the Redmi 7A, and I'm Mr.Review.